Okay, so I've just run a test file with this machine. It's one of the 9 kilowatt spindle fitted onto this one. So it's ER32 9 kilowatt. And here's my test file. An inside and outside cut. Outside cut. Oh, sorry. It's an inside cut on the line. An inside cut on the line. These two pieces are going to be discarded. Okay, so I've got some text, as you can see, come out lovely. I've got a pocket, which hopefully that's going to fit into. I've got two pieces which will be joints, and all I've done is taken these out. I've lifted them up and cleaned with a vacuum cleaner, just taken all of the swarf away so I can get them out easy. Okay, it's going to be discarded as well. Okay, there's a little dot on the top corner of each one, on the top of each one, just so I can see that that's the top position. Okay, so hopefully that is going to fit into there, which proves an inside and outside cut and 90 degrees, which it does. Turn it round. Oops. Fits in there. Turn around again. So it's 180 degrees from its original position and drops in. Another 90 degrees. Okay. And that should fit into this cutout snugly, which it does. I can push that right down, but I want to spin it round first. Spin it round, drop it in, drops in, fine. Drops in, fine. Drops in, fine. I've used wood grain material so you can see that I'm spinning it with the grain. Okay, and I'm going to push that down there to see if it fits. Right the way down to the bottom. Okay, hopefully the circle will do the same. So the circle should go a little bit bigger than my finger spread. Okay, the circle's in. Turn it 90 degrees before I push it down. It's in. Oh, stuck now. Okay, another 90 degrees. It's in. I'm trying to hold the phone to capture this. 90 degrees. It's in. I'll push that right down. Okay. That's good. As I said, we've got the text. It's a nice V-carve. You see, nice and crisp, clear. Leveled up properly to the top of the work. Now this is a trepan test to make sure that the tramming is right. It's nice and smooth across there. Even though it's got burn marks, it was run a little bit too slowly. Right, so it's that was only run at 5 meters. It should be at least 10 for a trepan with a 50mm bit, otherwise it burns on MDF. That would be as if you're skimming a spoil board. Okay, good step over on it. Now this one's a bit of a weird one because it's a joint which I designed, and I want to see if it goes together. If you can see that, and this one, well, hopefully this will go together there. Let's see if I can get lined up from above, because this is going to be pretty tight. There's a less than a 0.1 tolerance on this one. Let's see if I'll go down. Let's see, 0.1 tolerance. And we've got a joint. Let's just double check that that's dead straight on the joint, which it is. I want to get my square up, I can't do that. You see on the square here, let's bang on. I want to put the square on here, but now that's jammed in there solid. So that's my test board, and as far as I'm concerned, that machine has passed this test. That's everything it needs to do, apart from some hard ripping tests, which I'll do next. So that's the Mercury with a 9 kilowatt ATC head.